Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about baking. So today we are baking an eggless chocolate cake. It is a super easy and a no-fail recipe. The entire list of ingredients and its exact procedure has been mentioned in the description box. And our today's little baker is my son. This is a surprise bake from my son for his sister. This video may actually come as a surprise or a shock to many because I have been known for my non-cooking skills for a very long time. But I wanted to teach my kids these life skills and make memories with them like these. The incredible thing is that I've been there learning with them every step of the way and they have no idea. So what could our kids learn from these baking classes? The short answer is a lot. While we bake delicious sweet and savory treats, we learn math skills, train our imagination and creativity, science facts, life skills, develop fine motor skills, understand what food is made of, and how to communicate effectively with adults and other children. Make difference between various textures and colors. Make difference between various smells. Make difference between various tastes. Make healthier choices about the ingredients we cook with and the food we eat. There is so much a child can learn from baking while having fun and exploring the world through these senses. Cooking with kids is not just about ingredients, recipes, and cooking. It's about harnessing imagination, empowerment, and creativity. This quote is absolutely spot on. Some kids may have an aversion to maths, so instead of forcing workbooks, so why not introduce them to kitchen? Baking involves a lot of maths, fractions, measurements, timings. There are so many ways. One of the best ways for kids to learn, especially the most undesirable academics, is through meaningful work or task with purpose. If you're looking to get your kids involved in the kitchen, here are some good tips I wanted to share which were really useful for us. The first tip is have all the ingredients measured out separately and in reach before you start. Tip number 2, I like to talk about the ingredients with my kids before we start to introduce them to new ingredients. Tip number 3, it doesn't have to be a fancy recipe. Tip number 4, embrace the mess. This is the most important one. It's inevitable that food will go everywhere, but you can also involve your kids in the cleanup process at the end, which means that helps them to look after their environment. So baking with kids can be messy, it can be hard work, and your finished products, chances are, will not look beautiful like so many social media images like to portray. Then why do we do it? It's educational, of course, but it's also a bonding experience, a chance to share love and laughter with our kids. It's also a time where nothing else matters. You being a parent and making beautiful, messy memories. Baking with our kids is truly a messy adventure. So as this was a surprise bake from my son for his sister, we spoke about the importance of kindness, of all the things we love about Sarah, and how great it felt to do something for someone else. This was truly the best time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.